Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is my average, my 3x3 100 average from the same competition, the 12th edition of Cubelelo SpeedCubing Unlocked, and it was a pretty good average for me. It was sub 16, and considering I didn't practice much, I am pretty happy with it. So yeah, this is a pretty short video, just my average of 5, and feel free to critique these solves and let me know where I can improve. I would love to find out. And yeah, that's all. Stay safe, stay tuned, and see you. Bye bye.